Hey guys, welcome back to the video. As you can see, I've got my bike here, the CF Moto 450Mt. What I'm going to do is install the new windscreen. This is how it comes. All I've done is taken the top off it. Quick set of instructions. This is the packaging. Is it English on the back? Yep. Pretty simple. 4 Allen screws. Take the old one off, put the new one on. That's it. Nice. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 mil by the look of it. 6mm diameter. And that's it. Nice quick. Guys, so I was wrong. This is only a 5mm Allen key, not a 6. And that's it. Well, I need it in the up position now. Put it down. Here we go. Yep, sits just about nose and mouth level. Okay guys, thanks for watching that video again. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next adventure or modification. Bye.